Okay, so we're back with an all-new running salvage video. Found this on the side of the road during my most recent run. It's one of those roof rack cargo containers. This is a Sport 20 SV from Sears. Take a look around it here real quick. This thing appears to be in flawless condition. On the bottom of it, it's got all the mounting hardware, even though I don't actually have a rack that I could actually mount this thing to. But I've got some ideas of how to mount it to my trailer, so I think I'm going to use it for something like that. Take a close-up of this lock, and by the power of editing, look what I got. I got a key that I think is going to fit this lock. Let's take a look. Mess with it a little bit. And we'll take a look inside here. Alright, well, the inside is extremely clean, very nice. Again, no cracks, no damage whatsoever. No mildew, no, I don't know, no leaks, no water, nothing. The hinges are in excellent shape. They're managing to hold, they're holding the top up perfectly. So those struts slash hinges, whatever you want to call them, working great. I think I'm going to call this one a solid win as far as road running salvage goes. Can't beat it. And that's it. That's our latest running salvage. I've got a lot of different ideas of what I can use this for, so we'll see how it turns out, and maybe you'll see it in a future video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We really appreciate it. If this video was entertaining, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.